Time for an EDC update, so I'll just get straight into it. Got a Snow Peak bandana. A knife. It's bushcraft. Can't remember what model it is. They give them weird names. But it's the one with the drop point in the Warncliffe. Bone handles. D2 steel blade. Or blades. Nice knife. Nicely put together. No gaps or anything. And the handles are level or equal on both sides. Got a Zippo lighter. From 2004. And a watch. Got the Casio GA 1100. And the keys. I think anything's changed since the last video. Still got the Allen key for the camera mount on the backpack strap. The Olight i3 EOS. Angle Bill Silver grippers. Phoenix NW20 whistle. Leatherman PS4 squirt. House key, bike key, and a Kubitan. Got a coin pouch with coins in it. And a Travax original 2.0 wallet. And that's it for my personal EDC. So for bags I've got 3. This one's the Maxpedition Fatboy VersaPack S-Type, I think. I use this one mostly as a camera bag. So in the camera bag I've got a film camera. It's a Leica rangefinder made in Germany in the 1940s with a Soviet Russian lens. Let's carry a spare lens. Got a 50mm on there, 35 here, and some film, and then just a light meter and a viewfinder, and a compact digital camera, a multi-tool Gerber MP600, and a reusable metal water bottle. And if I decide I don't want to use a film camera, then I'll just switch to a digital camera. So all I'll carry is that, and that's what I carry in the camera bag. So the 2 bags, got a Maxpedition, I think it's the Remora sling bag. Can't remember the exact model of it, I think it's the Remora anyway. And the Megala, or Megala, or whatever you call it, it's another sling bag, bit smaller. As far as the contents of those goes, it's pretty boring. Just got a water bottle, a hat, first aid kit, permanent marker pen, the M600 or MP600, and hand sanitizer. So at some point in the near future I also want to go camping as well. I haven't been in ages. Next weekend I'm going to try and do some fishing. I haven't been fishing in over a year as well, so I've got to rebuild the camping gear as well. I've got less than I thought I had. Still got some stuff though. Recently got a new addition to the camping gear and bushcraft gear. I got a Grantsfesbrook wildlife hatchet. Had a shit. There you go. Very nice. Gonna lose its virginity soon in the woods. So that's the hatchet. Found the silky gum boy. Awesome saw. So I've still got that. And got the Tops Dragonfly 4.5. Got a hammock. And I think I've got some other stuff lying around somewhere. Didn't have much in the bug out bag. Got a top. And found the fire kit as well. So I just got a flint and all of that, just a normal fire kit. Well, flint and steel kit with a pocket bellows there as well. So I'll get back to the day camps and maybe a few overnighters soon as well. But that's my ADC for this. Might say a week, maybe a month. Try and get them out weekly, but sometimes I just can't be bothered. So that's ADC for now. Might get one out next week. Next weekend, like I say, I want to go fishing. And then try and do some day camps. Eventually some overnighters as well. But anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.